Hello again, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to go outside, because I'm sure many people don't know how to go outside during these tough times. So first thing you want to do is you want to find a door to the outside world. That may be hard for some people, but for me it's pretty easy. This is my back door. Simply take the doorknob and use it to open it. Step outside, close the door. You are now outside. What you will do out here, I don't know. That is up to you. I'll also give you a step-by-step guide of how to go inside if you're outside. Step number 1, find a door leading to the inside world. Step 2, use said door. Step 3, step inside. Step 4, close the door. If you have an animal or pet outside, open the door again. Follow the previous steps of how to go outside. Except instead of you going outside, your dog is coming inside. Close the door again. Walk back to your bedroom. And take a nap.